Hi guys, welcome back to Essay Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing and demoing the Kids Learning Educational Tablet. So this is the learning tablet. So as you can see, the tablet has a little screw at the back. This is an educational tablet, guys. So we need to remove the screw. That's the back cover to keep the batteries from falling out. It takes a star screw. So we're going to open that up. Now this kiddie's tablet takes 3 batteries, guys. It takes 3 AA batteries. I suggest using good quality batteries to get optimum performance from this kiddie's educational tablet. And judging by all the features that are on this tablet, as well as its high-end functionality, it will definitely require strong batteries. So 3 batteries, in it goes. And now we're going to put the screw back on to avoid the batteries falling out and make it extremely safe when your kid is using this. Guys, this kids educational touch tablet is super engaging. It plays songs, teaches phonics, and even has a basic math function. Also teaching them how to spell and learn words. So this is the kiddies educational learning tablet, guys.
Hello.
That's to switch it on and off. You can increase or decrease your volume. That's to decrease it down to the last setting. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. So as we can see, this button on the top that says number song. That was the number song and alphabet song button, guys. Numbers on the top can also be used as a piano, depending on the setting, to play a piano or say your numbers.
Can you find the number 3? 3.
This gives the kids a little
Can
test
you find the letter
to find their
F?
numbers. And now to find their alphabets in a very fun, informative way.
Can you find the word cat?
Feature called word test to help them learn words.
Can you find the word zebra? Zebra. Good. Bye-bye. Hello. What's 4 minus 3? 1. Good. What's 4 plus
Aid the kids
5?
in mathematics and teach them mathematics.
9. Good. What can you spell the word telephone?
This is to help them with their spelling, guys. Very informative.
E L E P H O N E. Good. Can you spell the word bye-bye? Hello. Can you find
the kids are learning, guys, and you hear that sound, it
Bye-bye.
means the answer is incorrect,
Bye-bye.
which will also encourage them to get the right answer. That was the kids' educational tablet, guys. This is definitely an excellent product, guys. It will definitely aid to the development of your kids' skills, thinking, memory, and creativity. I think this would make the perfect gift for them and would definitely aid